As a trusted partner of Saipem for years, Fabcon was awarded this project in June of 2022 to modify the decks of 2 heavy cargo carriers for transportation of offshore wind farm components. The work on the first ship was completed on 28th of November 2022, and you can find the video here at the top. The second ship was made available to Fabcon on 13th December and loading activities commenced on the 14th. This video shows the work on board this ship, the M V Hanjin Leader, including the fabrication of TP support structures to hold transition pieces vertically from shore to sea. Here, you can see the HEM 1000 beams at our yard, in the material arrival and preparation stages. These are a few snaps of the work progressing at our yards, and the transportation of sub-assemblies from our Jazeera yard to our newer facility at RAK Maritime City. These images are taken from Google Earth and show the TP supports in various stages at our existing facility and at our new facility, as well as the progress in yard development. Further assembly was done here, and the final pieces were transported to the quay side by hydraulic trailers in a 4-file configuration. The loading operations were done using the help of a 400-ton crawler crane with superlift capability. Steel mats were placed under the tracks for added weight distribution and safe loading. 3 containers and 8 TP supports, each weighing around 70 tons, were loaded in 2.5 days. Further welding activities were completed in another 3 days and the ship was released on time. A time-lapse of the loading activities can be seen now. To see more details about Fabcons and our capabilities, do go through the description and consider subscribing for updates as they happen.
Fabcon Industrial Services. Decades of engineering excellence.